Hello, this is Tic Tac, and today I will be teaching you how to add end screens to a YouTube video. So, first you go to your Creator Studio in your YouTube channel, then go to your Video Manager, and then Videos. Then you can choose a video where you want your end screens to be in, so I'll choose this video. And then this loads up the settings. And then you can go to end screens and annotations, and here you'll be able to choose your end screens. So what you can do is import from another video, or you can use a template that YouTube provides for you, or you can make your custom end screens. So here you can choose from video or playlist. Subscribe, so you can subscribe your channel. The person who watches it can subscribe your channel, or you can promote another channel, or you can link to a website. So first I'll start by doing a video or playlist. So you can do your most recent upload, best for viewer, or you can choose one. So if you choose, you just get all your videos or playlists. But I'll start with most recent uploads. I'll put it somewhere like here, and then I can add best for viewer as well. I can go there, and I can promote subscriptions to my channel using the subscribe end screen. So I'll put this on, and now I can watch my video to check if they're all in the right places, and these end screens can only be in the last 20 seconds of your video, so you can choose down here where you want them, and then you can press the preview.
So thanks for watching this video. I hope this helped, and you can
the videos
try
over
on
here.
some of my videos adding some subtitles. Yeah, so feel free to do that, and like and subscribe for more videos, and see you next time.
So that's all okay. So I hope you enjoyed today's videos. I hope you found it helpful, and remember to press save and like and subscribe for more videos, and see you next time.